than one of these things off the ship at one time?
You know, I didn't think they had, but one, and I didn't even realize it was ours. I've seen a whole bunch of rentals.
Oh, really?
This is the only one we saw today out.
Because I know we went on, I don't know if it was number 6, but I know we went on one when we disembarked early this morning.
It may have been this one, because we went in on a rental.
On an actual boat or something?
It was actually an open air boat, but I think it was
very small one.
yeah, very small. Very, very small. We came back on this one. What is it hooking to? Okay, because I thought, man, those aluminum things are there. Okay.
Nice.
Oh, got life jackets on except the
Oh,
captain,
yeah.
in case they get dumped.
Just got to make sure it's like swinging enough not to bang into the ship.
That's another.
Although now that I think about it, when it's lowering, it probably, in a real emergency, I'm sure it'd be banging into the ship constantly.
Probably extend that arm out further.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Does it look like it can go out any further?
It's an e-ticket ride, so back and forth like that.
It's like when those guys get out when it gets up to the collapsed rail level.
Well, and they've also got a sling, it looks like, for the bottom.
Oh, look at that. Well, yeah, I mean, how are these up here? One fluid motion.
Glad you said something. We've never seen them do this. This is very neat. Now, how does the crew get out? Oh, look, there's a thing.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, the walkway. Then they somehow have to secure those things.
I wonder if they clamp to this right here, this circular half circle coming out.
Oh, yeah, yeah, they would have to.